beautiful people, welcome back to another tutorial. Thank you so much guys for always coming back. If you're new here, you're highly welcome to my channel. I just want to use this opportunity to thank all my subscribers. Thank you so much guys for your support. Thank you for your likes and your comments. I really appreciate you all. So in this video we're going to be making this beautiful long dress. So I'll be using elastic for the neck. Without further ado, let's get started. I'm using 4 meters of fabric for this tutorial. I'll be cutting it like a line. Okay, I will go ahead and lay my fabric on the table. This is a chiffon fabric. So this is my fabric. I will fold it like so, in form of a bias. Like I said earlier, I'm making a A-line dress. So I will just go to the down part, make it a little bit full. The fabric is not straight, so I just make it like in form of a triangle, little bit, not too full. So I will go ahead and place my measurement. The shoulder measurement I'm working with is 16 inches, divided by 2 is 8 inches. So I'll mark 14 inches here, that's the shoulder measurement. I added extra 6 inches to it. So by the time I add elastic to it, it will come back to the normal measurement. I'm taking 10 inches for the wideness of the neck. That's the neck width. I will cut out the back first, then I use the back to cut out the front. I'll mark 2 inches for the neck depth. That's the back one. Then the front, I will mark 4 inches for the neck depth. So I'll go ahead and connect it. So I'll connect the back neckline. So I have 4 inches for the shoulder. So right on the shoulder here, I will mark 1 inch for shoulder slope. The round armhole is 16 inches, divided by 2 is 8 inches. I'll make a line here. I'll make a curve here. So that is my armhole. So this is the back side. I will just leave the armhole like this. I will not go inside by ½ inch. I will only do that to the front panel. It's difficult working with the slippery fabric. So I'll go ahead and then use my pin to hold it down. The length of my dress is 63 inches plus sewing allowance. So right from the shoulder here, this 14 inches, I will measure 63 inches round. So this line here is the 63 inches. That's the length of the dress. So I'll go ahead and cut the length first before cutting out the upper part. So I will cut the neckline, cut the side. This is the back one. I will use this to cut out the front panel. The only difference is the neckline. The back neckline is 2 inches, while the front neck depth is 4 inches. So I finished cutting the front and the back. So I use the neckline to cut out the facing. So this is the back. So we also cut out the front facing. Now use the neckline to cut out the facing. I'm cutting out 1.5 inches. So we're going to be putting the fabric together. See how wide the neckline is. By the time I use elastic to gather it, it will come back to the normal size. So I will use my facing to turn the neckline, right side facing each other. I will sew it and do the same thing to the back side. So I'll finish using the facing to sew the neckline. I cut out about 11 inches elastic. I will attach the 11 inches elastic here. I will sew it along the neckline here. So as I'm sewing it, I will pull it so that this elastic go around the neckline. I'll do the same thing to the back side. So guys, I finished adding the elastic to the neckline. So I will go ahead and turn it like so. I'll use a needle to tack it here. So instead of me hemming it, I will use a hand needle to tack it. I'll turn this side, just take it from inside. After tacking, it should look like so. I made the neck to be very wide, but after adding the elastic to it, it came back to the normal measurement. I will go ahead and join the shoulders. I will make sure the right side are facing each other. The right side of the front and the back panel are facing each other. Before I sew the shoulder, I will hem the armhole. So I will use 1/2 inch to hem the armhole. I will take it like so, 1/4 inch twice. So I will sew it and do the same thing to the front panel. So after hemming the armhole, I will join the shoulders together. I will use 1/2 inch to join the shoulders and use 1 inch to join the side. I will sew the side right from the armpit here, sew it to the bottom of the dress. I will do the same thing to the side. So guys, I finished joining the front and the back together. So we are done with the dress. This is the armhole. This is the neckline. So this is the down part of the dress. I have also hemmed the bottom of the dress. I use 1 inch to hem the bottom of the dress. This is the back side. So that's it for today. Thank you guys for watching. I will see you in my next one. Love you. Bye.